Hi everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm a spokesman for theboxman.com where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. I'm going to go right into this video. Check out this intro. I'm going to give you right now the 4 must-have things to eliminate buffering forever. So let's get into it. All right, guys, I am back. If this is your first time on one of our channels, not preferably, but YouTube is usually the one that I go to first. So just go ahead, whichever platform you are on, you can always subscribe to our channel. If this is your first time here, thank you, thank you, thank you for being here. We're getting a lot of watch time, and maybe I'm building the YouTube channel wrong, but not a lot of subscribers as much as I believe. But the channel is growing because hopefully I'm bringing you enough value for you to say, man, that guy's pretty smart. I think I'll keep listening to him. Whether you stay or not, I am grateful that you parked right here. So I'm going to give you 4 must-have things to eliminate buffering forever. Now, when we say buffering, or I say buffering, anyone that's been streaming for any length of time, they know what that means. You happen to be watching something, and now out of the blue, it is absolutely hard to watch. That is buffering, excessive buffering. So I'm going to give you 4 things that you must have, things that you need to eliminate buffering. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, the number one thing I believe, the first thing you need to have to eliminate buffering is background apps and process list application. It's right here. You can find it in the Google Play Store or even the Amazon App Store. This little app, I'm not the first one to say it, but I won't be the last one to say it. When you have these many applications running in the background, you could really be in trouble by having excessive buffering or buffering. You must close as many applications as you like, and I've already shown how to do this. So if you highlight one, let's say it's the speed test, you would just go here and click force stop and hit OK. It'll take it off the list like that. So let's say I want to get rid of Puffin. I would just go force stop, press OK, press the back button, it gets rid of it. This app here, hit force stop, press OK, press the back button. You see what I'm saying? Once you go through all of these, you'll see that you can really take control of what's running in the background, because if it's running in the background, that means it's working against your connection. So what we want to do is have tools like this, a utility like this, that allows you just to go straight on through and not uninstall. You can even uninstall if you wanted to, but force stop. A lot of these apps that come on automatically, as you see me doing it, and it's just relatively easy. I mean, there's nothing else like it. You can just go ahead and go through it, and you're good to go. So you can go through all of these and see for yourself if that makes a difference. So the first one is to get background apps and processes and stop it right away and begin to use it. So that's the number one thing. All right. App number 2 to eliminate buffering. If you have an audio optimizer, this application, Audio Optimizer, is one of the best applications that really deals with syncing issues. One of the worst things when you're experiencing buffering is the audio or the video or whatever you're watching is completely out of sync. Audio Optimizer on the Formula device, it's already in the play, not the Play Store, but it's already an app that's on the box and readily available to you. And this will reboot and restart. But once you have this to your experience, and so as you can see, I'm rebooting my Z10 Pro Max, and once you install it, it runs automatically. So I just wanted to show you if that things are happening, if those things or those that criteria is happening, this is a great application to have, and that is Audio Optimizer. And that was number two. That's that one right there. The third one that you should have that is a really good one to really eliminate buffering forever is to know what your speed is on the box. And Analyty, I'm going to mix Analyty with Proton VPN or a VPN, but mainly Analyty. Analyty is a utility that is very good speed test. When you know what your speed is, it's really important for you to know this, and gives you an idea of what the speed is that's coming to your device, what the actual speed is that's coming to your device. Now, I did this speed test because I have a VPN on my device from Proton that's running all the time. So I have no upload speed, and I have 16 megabits per second. That's the Mbps. So you'll see right here it says that my internet speed can't pick up 1080, can't pick up 1080 gaming, and all of that. It'll give you an idea of what you can do based on your speed. So I'm going to test again because I was just using it and I was watching sports and all of that, and I wasn't having any issue whatsoever with buffering or whatnot, even though this VPN is in Singapore. So as you can see, I am all still back at 18, 16, 15 megabits per second. And it says that I can't do what I need. I'm even at 12. And I am running very, very well at 12 megabits per second. My point is that when you have a utility app like this, it really gives you an idea of what your speed is to your device. Most of our new customers, or my new customers over the years, they would say, well, I'm getting 200 download speed from my phone, or I ran it on my laptop and I'm getting 300 download speed. Pardon me when I say to you, that doesn't matter, because that's not the device you're using to bring your entertainment. If that app was on your phone, then that would be relevant because you're using your phone for your entertainment. But if you're using a media device, it's best to have a good speed test so you can test the speed that is coming to that device. The last thing I'll say before I move on, please, people, understand there is no such thing as 900 download speed and 900 upload speed. I don't think that exists. And I think the internet providers are lying to folks, trying to pump up their speed when in actuality, you can run a really good device with less than 20 megabit download speed. It's not the speed itself, it's the quality of the internet, hands down. All right, so that's the third thing. So what is the last point is the most important point I want to make of the four must-have things to eliminate buffering forever. And number four is common sense. Common sense. Now, this is not meant as a slam, but maybe a little educational moment. Okay? Common sense. What do I mean by that? What I'm saying is, please, please, please have the common sense to learn the device that you have before you start complaining that it doesn't work. Please, please, please understand the different factors that I've just gone over, like maybe your internet is being throttled and maybe you need to get a VPN or even buy your own equipment. How about that? Most of us who've been streaming for any length of time understand you don't want to rent the internet, your internet service provider's equipment. You want to buy your own equipment when you can, because you can control what you control. If you own the equipment, you own the expectation for it to run well. Most internet service providers do not provide excellent streaming equipment. They give you the bottom of the barrel. Please keep that in mind. But you have to start somewhere. So the number four is the most important. common sense. Give yourself enough time to learn something new without complaining before something works. Learn streaming if you're going to stream. If you want it one and done and you want it done for you, stay with cable. Keep paying the outrageous amounts for that entertainment. But for the love of streamers everywhere, please don't complain when it's your own network that is challenged. Because your common sense tells you that it's my network that will give me the streaming success. If my network is garbage, my experience will be garbage. That's hands down. Now, that might be too tough for you to handle, but I'm not trying to be that. What I'm trying to do is educate, motivate, and just teach you what I've been taught. Because what I've been taught from the Boxman makes us the best in the business, or one of the best in the business, simply because we educate our clients, we teach our clients, and those that follow the teaching, I promise you, they never have issues because their expectations are correct. I hope this video was helpful for you. I didn't mean to go over 10 minutes. I'll learn how to not do that. But it's good to know information so you're not wondering and hopping to and fro. Thank you so much for watching this video. Follow our information in the description if you're interested in some of our boxes, our products, or maybe even our services. We'd love to have you as a new customer because we want you as a customer for life. Have a great week, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.